In this video, I'm going to explain the pricing and features of the YouTube TV 4K Plus add-on, which is designed to enhance your streaming experience. As of now, YouTube TV itself does not offer a dedicated 4K Plus add-on, but it does provide an optional upgrade called Unlimited Screens for $25 per month. This add-on removes the limit on simultaneous streams, allowing more than 3 devices to watch at the same time, and also enables offline downloads for certain content, features that are often associated with higher quality streaming plans. While YouTube TV supports up to 1080p Full HD resolution for most of its content, it does not currently offer 4K resolution for live TV or on-demand shows. If you're looking for 4K streaming, you might need to explore other services like YouTube Premium or standalone apps from specific networks that support ultra-high-definition content. The $25 Unlimited Screens add-on is ideal for larger households or users who want flexibility in streaming, but it's important to note that it doesn't include 4K resolution. Always check the latest updates from YouTube TV, as they may introduce new features or pricing changes in the future. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand the pricing and features of YouTube TV's add-ons, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.